Welcome to my VBA channel. Since a long back I didn't upload any video to YouTube, so after a long time I have developed my another software in VBA called Easy Accounting System. Through this system you can manage the purchase, sales report, invoice itemized report, stock consumption, and etc. So before before starting this program, I will just introduce the basic thing of this software. Actually, this software is developed by some restaurant, and they need only purchase module. So I have developed the purchase only. They are maintaining sales, some another POS. So only just very small sales module, but I have developed enhanced comprehensive development of purchase. So let's start with purchase. This is purchase, and this is already one item is there. So here you can see the due amount is this and the total paid is this. Suppose I'm just taking the I'm just paying some amount, part payment for this invoice. Let's say today is 6th May, so it was the invoice date is 30th March. Total invoice value is 865. That is completely due. You can see here, and see, I just today's date is 6th May, so automatically system takes from the system date. This payment date is always is taken from the system. You can change it if you want, but by default it takes from the current system date. So I didn't change here. You can change here. It is freezed once you enter the invoice. It cannot be changed. And this is, suppose in this way I'm taking cash. Let's say I'm just taking 600, and then I say yes, so it is captured. See, now this and these two entries are coming, and then I'm just taking another invoice, new invoice. Let's say new invoice. I received new invoice with this number. So see, all items are reset to blank. This is invoice date. Invoice date again, it takes from the system date because this is new invoice number. So I didn't change here. You can change if you want. Invoice value, you can just put the 5600. Sorry, let's say I just put 500, and this is cash, and I just take I'm just paying full amount, and it pop-ups while it comes from this party name after remarks. So I just type, let's say A, so it is all the party name containing A. I'm just choosing Aster Pharmacy, and then just press escape key. So window is gone. Now I say yes, save. So this invoice will be saved. Payment captured successfully. So this item is captured here, and this is the same invoice number and invoice date and all is coming here, and this is all the capture items. If you press again save, so it says error, data not saved, because it is already saved. Now you want to take the items in this invoice, so I just double click on the G2 cell, that is invoice number. So I just double click, it reaches me to this, it redirected to me the item invoice page. So here you will have all the item. You have to insert the items. So for that I just press Ctrl Q key, so it will invoke one product window. Here I'm just taking items like cockroach killing bat, and just enter and one, like 10 items, 250, and another item. Let's say I just take let's say baking powder, again 250, and this is sand, so it will be 500. So 500 and 500, it should be same. If you take up to 250, it will not save, because the item, this invoice items should be, invoice item value should be the same as invoice value. Then I say save, hit this key. It says can't save because I didn't do this. I just double click on the reset, so it is in the edit mode now. Now I say save, so it is saved now. So every time whenever you save, you just double click on it, so it will in the edit mode, and then save. It is again, the invoice, this items will be saved, and this again goes to back reset state. And this way I can just capture all the invoice. Now I go to here, home. I will show you item wise report. I just, these are my dates, 2 dates I have to select. Within 2 dates I want to see the report of the all purchase, so I say generate report for amount. So it's generating, see, you can see it's generating the report. And this is the whole report is generated now. So see, you can see here, this is category wise report. Beverage, suppose this is the beverage sale. In April it is 843, May 117, total 960. Similarly vegetable and all, this is heads of the sale, of the purchase, sorry. And if suppose you want to see what is specific sale purchase under the beverage, so just double click on the beverage, so it will filter out this report. You will have all the items here now. See, beverage, under beverage, water, Pepsi, cool, some mixed juice, etc, etc. So this is report within 12 April 17 to 1st May 2017. So see, April and May items only is appearing. This is type, like packet, dozen, kg, liter, like this. So suppose I want to see the all details of this Mountain Dew, in which invoice this item purchased. So I just double click on it. So see, this is slip invoice for the Mountain Dew. So you can see here, this is invoice number. This Mountain Dew comes with this invoice number. So I just, suppose I want to see further detail of this invoice, I just click this invoice number, double click on this invoice number. So see, all this report is coming, sorry, this item bill is coming, containing all the items. So in this way you can see. Then I again say back to report, look invoices. I just double click on it, so it will again redirect it to my main report page, and then I just double click here, so it will remove this beverage filter. So in this way you can filter out items and categories all. You can take a full report through this. Now I will show you sales report. Here you will have again, this is the from and to date, here 2017, and this is all. You put all if you want all. This all actually it gives all months of the 2017. Here you can press this button if you are selecting the dates. If you are looking for within the dates, you can set this all in 2017. and press this. Suppose you want to see the all months without having the date, so you just press this button, sales purchase report. Now I just press sales purchase report within dates, within these dates, so I just press this. So see, this is the all report. Total sale in April, this outstanding is this from the parties, total purchase this, total paid amount this, total profit loss this is month, and this is the total. And here you can see, similarly you can see the party wise outstanding, party wise day paid and all. So this, if you see this, if you click this within the dates, so it will give you the whole report of the party wise outstanding, whatever the outstanding with you, it will give you the whole report. This is the total of the party wise. Further, you want to see from this party Al Tayyib Meet, let's say Al Tayyib Meet, you want to see what are the invoices under this party, so you just double click Al Tayyib Meet, so you will have all the invoices like this. And suppose you want to see you want to see further detail of the particular invoice, so you just select any invoice and then double click on it, so again it will give you the item bill. So in this way, suppose I am just looking for this, I just click here, so see, this is all items under that bill of Al Tayyib Meet. This is the party, our supplier, and I just press back to report. This is the back to report, and I just double click here, so it again redirected to my this item wise report. And this is again total paid dates, and this total invoice and all this, all reports you can see here. Now I press home. Now this is sale register. Sales register is nothing, only just you need to put the sale of the particular date. Suppose you are taking the sales, capturing the sales from the POS, you can take one date also, or you can put the multi date, but the result will be the same. It will add up like a whole March and then whole April like this, and it brings here it brings you this report, like see, this is April to May, so this adds here, whether you put in one date of wholesale of any month or day by day, so it's up to you. And this is the item list. Here I have all the items, whatever the items you can fetch from the purchase. You can put the code, you can put the unit name like packet, pieces like this, item name, under which category you want to put them, like this is in my case it is business expenses, crockery, dairy products like this. So you can add it here, or you can add more, but make sure the party name this item name should not be duplicated. Like see, this is same item, so it gives you the red, and item code could not be repeated, it should not repeat it, item name, item code and all. And this is the my heads, again heads, I have beverage, vegetable, you can create the heads here, under which head you can put these items. Some items goes to meat and grocery like this stuff. And this is my party name, all party code ID and party name from where you are purchasing. This is your, basically these are your suppliers, and these are the unlock sheets, lock sheets. For unlocking the sheet, you just click unlock sheet and type PBH 1 2 3, so it is unlocked. You can edit now, and after editing you just press lock, so sheet is locked now. In this way you can handle the products and parties and all. So And another thing is stock consumption. Yes, here you can have, suppose you have item, you have to provide, I purchase the items and I issue to my this consumption to my kitchen, let's say. So I have to keep track what are the items I have handed over to the kitchen and how they are consuming, so you can see the report also. Suppose you are issuing the items, so for that you just press Ctrl Q, so it will pop up the window with the current date. Here, like I'm just taking the items like water glasses, let's say 50, and then I just, you can just type the items also. P, so it starts with the P. I will take browse P, all containing the P, wet powder, like say 4, and similarly you can put the items and then say refresh stock. It takes time because it has lot of items, hundreds of items, so it is updating the stock. Now it is updated. Now go to the reorder level. See, this is all items. You can set your reorder, you can check the current stock also. Below reorder level you can set here, and this is 0, so it is this item is, you don't have this item, so this way you can check the consumption also. So guys, I hope you like my this video and this development. Keep watching my channel and subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. Thank you once again for watching my channel.